Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. In this video we are taking a look on how day trading can be done in Bitcoin, which are the behind the strategies. Day trading is most asked question, most searched query on YouTube, Google. There is most searched keyword is day trading strategies. No matter in cryptocurrency or stock trading, everywhere people are trying to search how we can make more money in short term. Let me share my all experience with you. Let me share all strategies with you how you can actually make trading on Bitcoin and which are the most useful strategies and how we can actually make money with that strategy. Let's understand first and which are the terms and conditions you have to follow. First of all, switch on the daily chart. On daily chart, each candlesticks will take 1 day time to complete its structure. In this case, we have found some levels that are trading on the basis of daily. Here you can see first level, and the second level is nothing but this one. Here we go. Let me mark this as a green level and this level as a red level. This level is nothing but a buyer's area, which is 63k, and this level is nothing but a seller's area, which is nothing but more than 71k. In this type of trend, we have understood that trend tried to stay in between this range and buyers and sellers are trading on this range. Now next step is switch on the time frame like 15 minutes. Do not go below 15 minutes time frame. 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, these time frames are just a volatility detector, and you can just use those time frame for the confirmation of the candlesticks on the 15 minutes time. Here we go. After switching on the 15 minutes time frame, you have to enable one indicator, which is nothing but EMA. You can search directly in the indicator form and apply the one indicator, which is nothing but a EMA. Switch on 50 EMA and just enable the 50 EMA. After enabling the 50 EMA, you will understand more clear what type of trend is going and how actually trends are behaving after breaking out, breaking down, after breaking upside, after breaking the downside. I am not saying on the basis of indicator you will make actual money. Of course, you will get trend ideas on the basis of indicator. Indicators are created with bunch of values, bunch of multiplications. That's why I am preferring to use EMA. I am not saying moving average. Moving average concept is different. Exponential moving average concept is different. More good is EMA, exponential moving average. This indicator will give you less signals but perfect. If you use the MA, then definitely you will get most of the traps. You can apply EMA and MA, then you will get differentiation in between EMA and MA. In this case, what we are understanding, here we go, after breakout, price is become bullish here. Okay, and after breakdown, price is trying to make a bearish level. Not just after breakout, but at least it is giving a pre-breakdown alert. After some momentum, price is gone down. This indicator will be used to get idea what type of trend is actually going in the market. In this case, trend has broken down and price is successfully gone down. Now trend is trying to flick upside. Now that's it. We are understood a basic concept from the EMA. Now we'll switch off the EMA. Now next step is very simple. before understanding the next step, let's take a look on Bitmart. Bitmart platform is here guys. You can trade your favorite cryptocurrency like BTC USDT, ETH USDT, and 1500 plus cryptos are available to trade instantly. You can trade your favorite category. If you are newbie, then go with the spot trading. If you are experienced trader, you can go with the futures trading. Apart from trading, you have multiple options like staking, saving, dual investment, ETS 2.0, VIP wealth management. All types of options are available to earn more rewards on your cryptocurrencies. As well as event center is there. Bitmart platform is live since 2017 guys, so we can search on this exchange and you can multiply your rewards on the Bitmart. Link is provided in the video's description. You can easily go with my link to sign up yourself. Here we go. Once you visit the Bitmart platform, you will understand more better what types of features are available, how actually products are available on the Bitmart. If you have any queries, simply connect them on chat now. If you have any queries, simply you can connect them and resolve your queries. Now let's move on the topic. After disabling the indicator, we are switching on our price action trading guys. On the price action trading, we are understanding some levels in between this range. Here we go. This level is nothing but a seller's area and this level is nothing but a buyer's area. Now trend is trying to make some good levels for the trading, for the scalping. In this case, we can draw like this trend line is broken upper side. Now we can expect a trend can go to this 68k level. That's how price prediction works, that's how price action works. We have mixed all types of concepts. First is time frame of day time frame, where we can actually confirm the reversal point, and second is we have switched on the EMA to understand trend, how actually trend is going. After that we have switched on the price action movement. Now we have understood price can go to the 68k level, so we can put our stop loss below this low and you can put our take profit here and we can run our trade in between this range. That's how trading works, that's how we can manage our trade. I hope you guys are understood how actually can do a day trading with the Bitcoin, how actually we can spot the trend line. On the basis of trend line, how actually we can do the trading. That's it for today. Let's see in the next video.